Hello everyone, Quickle Pickle here. Today is day 3 of posting a video every single day until 1 year of YouTube. And today is sadly the last Egypt video of the week. Today's video is on the crocodile god, Sobek. If you're ready to learn, like and subscribe. Sobek was the god of crocodiles, but also the guardian of the Nile River. In fact, according to the ancient Egyptians, Sobek's sweat created the Nile River. Sobek appeared as a man with a crocodile head, just a crocodile, or as a mummified crocodile. The Egyptians prayed to him for protection from crocodiles. Sobek also had powers of fertility in Egypt. Sobek, while not evil, was unpredictable, and would often join Set in his chaotic deeds. In fact, in some myths, Set and Neith were his parents. Sobek was more neutral than good or evil. Sobek's worship most likely originated in Fayum. Because of this, he was very popular there, specifically in Arsinoe. Crocodile's speed and strength were symbolic of the power of the pharaoh. Because of this, Sobek would protect the pharaoh from dark magic. Sobek's wife was either Rennen-Utet, the cobra goddess, or Meskenet, goddess of childbirth. Sobek has an association with Horus, because he helped Isis in the process of Horus's birth. Also, Horus turned into a crocodile in retrieving the body of Osiris. Finally, Sobek rescued Horus's children for him. Thanks so much for watching. Check out my friend's channel, Crafty Cabbage. Check out my website, quickle-pickle.com. And finally, check out my second channel, Quickle Pickle 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. And tomorrow we have a very special guest who's going to help me with our video tomorrow. Goodbye!